Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be taking you on my birthday trip here to the island of Siquijor. This is actually the third time I have visited this island, but this time we've been invited to this brand new resort that we're going to check out and stay at. I will do separate videos on the resort and everything as well, but stick around for my birthday adventure. Alright guys, I'm over here at the Gabayan Riviera resort in Siquijor. We just checked in. I'm staying in the executive suite. I will do a full tour of the resort, restaurant, everything, but first let me show you the room. Okay, so this is the room. Nice big front entrance, place to hang out and have morning coffee. And out here is the view. And the restaurant is over there. Back over here is the pool. We'll take a look at that in a second here. So let's go in. Maya's already in the room hanging out. But yeah, this is the executive suite. This is a brand new resort. Nice big huge king size bed. Nice place to sit. Huge TV. I think this is like a 60-inch TV or something. Smart TV. And Maya's already putting her clothes away. She's making it home for the next 3 days. This is interesting. It came with a coffee maker. Maya's eyes lit up when she saw this. It's almost like a K-cup type thing. Refrigerator. Lots of places to store your clothes and stuff. Big split type aircon. And the CR, or the bathroom as they say. It's very nice. And a big rain head shower. So we're gonna chill out here. I will show you the pool and the restaurant. The other thing I wanted to mention is the prices. They're doing a promo right now. I'm going to throw that up on the screen instead of labeling off the prices. You can see what the prices are normally and what they are during the promo. So Maya and I are going to take you around and show you the grounds and the pool and everything here. All right. Looks like somebody's staying next to us there. So here is the pool area. This looks really nice. This is going to be nice at sunset, huh? I think Maya agrees. Yeah, it's an infinity pool. We're going to take a walk on the area, the dock and stuff. Here's the infinity pool. Oh, that's nice. Tables out there. Yeah. Oh, I think she's talking to you. Let's take a walk down to the ocean there. There's like a dock that goes out there. It's low tide, so there's the restaurant, and they do.
So this is not done yet, I think they're still gonna build.
Still more stuff being built, maybe more rooms even. Yes. Yeah. We will definitely be taking some pictures. I think you need your water shoes to swim here. It's got kind of a rocky bottom.
Well, if it's high tide, you will not touch the bar. It would
True.
be nice and choppy.
Yeah.
Low tide ko yan ah.
Low tide now.
Pwede maligot na rin.
Yung gabi eh.
Yan gabihin. Pwede mag-night swimming.
Pwede.
We can do night swimming later.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so guys, we just checked in. Today's day one. It's only like 1:30. Today we're just going to chill at the resort. Probably have some margaritas, do some swimming in the ocean, and also up at the pool. And just kind of chill. But the next 2 days we have a lot of things planned. We got caves, we got beaches, we got cliff jumps, we've got waterfalls, eating out a lot, more eating out, more margaritas. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, we are here at the Garden Restaurant at the Gabayan Riviera Resort. And I got the bacon cheeseburger here. And Maya's got the pancit. Canton, yep. And yeah, the food here is good. The nice thing about this resort is it's actually nearby a lot of the beaches and a lot of the sites. Awesome. Thank you. Alright, so we got chocolate lava cake. So we will split this. And Maya loves cherries, so Maya's got the cherry. That's a given whenever we go and eat anything. You gotta take a bite.
Sometimes it's embarrassing because she will ask whoever we are with to have their cherries because she wanted to give it to me.
Can Maya have your cherry?
This is
I almost taste like a liqueur in that.
should be having a core.
You taste the liqueur?
Absolutely gorgeous. It's good. Thank you for sharing.
This can be found at the Garden Resort. Here at the resort. Great food, good ambiance with the ocean right behind us here. So, yeah.
It's really good, guys.
Take it